Hi, everybody. This is the assignment number 3, Match-3, the Shiny update. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I implemented the requested features, these features that I built on top of the original Match-3 game. So feel free to jump to the specific sections of this video through the timestamps that I included in the video description. So let's get started with the first feature that is about implementing a time addition on matches such that scoring a match extends the timer by 1 second per tile in a match. So let's run the game. I disable the audio, so only audio effects are here. Okay, so we need to find a match. Like in this case. So we'll extend the timer by 1 second per tile in a match. So the timer is 35, do the match, and here we are. Let's go to the second feature, ensuring level 1 starts with just simple flat blocks for the first level, with later levels generating the blocks with the patterns on them, so triangle, cross, and so on. Let's do another run. As we saw previously, level 1 start with simple flat blocks, like in this case. They are all flat. Third feature is about creating random shiny versions of block that will destroy an entire row on match, granting point for each block in the row. The shiny versions of the blocks are these ones that are blinking. These are shiny blocks. So let's find a match with a shiny block. Like this one. This one is shiny, and this is a match. So we move this block here, and here we are. The final feature is allowing swapping when it results in a match. If there are no matches available, we reset the board. Let's do another run. And we'll try to find a situation where we don't allow swapping since it doesn't result in a match. Like, for example, this case here, we move this block here, and we aren't allowed to move that because it doesn't result in a match. So we are moving this piece here, and it reverses back, actually. The final feature that is actually an optional one is implementing matching using the mouse. So here I can use the pointer to jump from a tile to another one. So it's easier to work. It's easier to play in this case. So I can basically work with the mouse pointer. And that's it. Thanks for watching.